Chia, the superfood for a healthy workout diet. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your workout performance and stay healthy? Look no further than chia seeds. The superfood that has been used for centuries by indigenous people for its incredible nutritional benefits. Chia seeds are packed with protein, fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals, making them the perfect addition to any healthy diet. But what makes chia seeds truly special is their ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, creating a gelica substance that helps you feel fuller for longer and keeps you hydrated during your workout. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is easy. You can sprinkle them on top of your morning cereal or yogurt, mix them into your smoothies, or even use them as a substitute for eggs in baking recipes. But the benefits of chia seeds go beyond just their nutritional value. Chia seeds are also great for improving digestion, reducing inflammation, and lowering cholesterol levels. They can even help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great choice for people with diabetes. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our happy customers have to say about the benefits of chia seeds. I started incorporating chia seeds into my diet a few months ago, and I've noticed a huge difference in my energy levels during my workouts. I feel more focused and less fatigued, and I've even been able to increase the intensity of my workouts without feeling burnt out. Sarah, 28. Chia seeds have been a game changer for me. I've struggled with digestive issues for years, but since I started eating chia seeds regularly, my symptoms have improved significantly. Plus, they're so versatile and easy to use in recipes. John, 35. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating chia seeds into your diet today and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Your body will thank you.